Hi everybody, how are you? Today is Thursday, April 15th. This is the homework video for practice. Can you study page 43 in this book? Do you know all the names for these things? Do you know the English words, all of these words? Practice any new words. Next week on Wednesday, we will have a short class. No class on Monday. On Wednesday, a short class for conversation practice. You should know all the words here. Let's practice today. Conversation 1. What is that called? What is that called? So question, what is that called? Answer, that is a pot. Or many people say, that's a pot. That's a pot. Let's practice today. What's that called? Yeah, that's a fork. That's a fork. What is that called? Tell me. What's that called? Yeah, that's a bowl. That's a bowl. Bowl. Oh, bowl. That's a bowl. What is that called? It's a spoon. Yeah, that's a wooden spoon. That's a wooden spoon. Right? Not metal. It's wooden. From a tree. That's a wooden spoon. Wooden. Wooden is from a tree. What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a napkin. That's a napkin. What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a cake pan. That's a cake pan. What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a plate. What's that called? What's that called? That's a knife. Knife. Like spelling K-N-I-F-E. But the K, silent. We don't say the K. Knife. That's a knife. What are the sounds? How many sounds? Knife. I, f, knife. 3 sounds. Right? 3 sounds. I, f, knife. That's a knife. Knife. What's that called? What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a straw. That's a straw. What's that called? That's a glass. A glass and straw. Usually straws are plastic, but this one, no, this one is steel. It's metal. Steel. Straw. I cleaned this and I wash it, and I use it again. I don't throw it away like plastic. What's that called? What's that called? That's a knife. Yeah, that's a knife. That's a knife. Sometimes we call this one a butter knife or table knife. It's a knife, but it's not sharp. It's for butter. I don't know. I don't use them very much. Mayonnaise. Yeah, but this is a knife for cutting vegetables or meat. Yeah. What's that called? What's that called? A plastic spoon. Yeah, it's a plastic spoon. And one more. Oh, two more. What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a pan. That's a pan. Pan. Yeah, that's a pan. Two more. What's that called? What's that called? Yeah, that's a pot. That's a pot. That's a soup pot. Or, yeah, I make soup in it. Usually soup. Oh, pasta. Boiling water. So one last one. What's that called? What are all these? Maybe we say, because more than one, plural. These. What are these called? Yeah, that's silverware. Silverware. All of these, silverware. Yeah, silverware. And then, I think you know, in the book we have more words. Microwave. Yeah, microwave. Refrigerator. Stove. And sink. Microwave. Refrigerator. Stove. Sink. Refrigerator is a little bit difficult. Let me show you another way. Do you know another name for refrigerator? In English, another name for refrigerator? Another name is fridge. Fridge. Some people just write like this. F-R-I-D-G-E. Fridge. It's easier. The fridge. Yeah, open the fridge. Oh, you didn't close the fridge. Fridge. Yeah, it's a little easier. Fridge. So some people say refrigerator, refrigerator, refrigerator. 5 syllables, right? Refrigerator. Yeah. 5. Refrigerator. 5 syllables. Refrigerator. Or fridge. 1 syllable. Fridge. Easier. Fridge. Great. So let's practice one more conversation. So here, this is conversation 1. What is that called? That's a pot. We will practice on Wednesday. It's easy, right? Very easy. Conversation 2. This is, can I have a knife? This is like when we have a problem. We don't have, oh no, I don't have a knife. Maybe at a restaurant, right? You have a problem, or maybe you are working in a kitchen, or maybe you are working in your kitchen at home, or at a restaurant if you work, maybe working in a kitchen. Yeah, can I have? This is very nice. This is very polite. Can I have? Right? The basic meaning is give me. Right? Another way we can say this, the same meaning, is give. Oops. Give me a knife. Right? Same meaning. Can I have a knife? Give me a knife. But give me a knife is a little bit rude. It's not so polite. Not nice. Can I have a knife? It's very polite in English. It's very nice. Can I have a knife? Can you practice? Can I have a knife? Can I have a knife? Can I have a knife? Usually high voice, not can I have a knife? No, usually we go up. Can I have a knife? Can I have a knife? More up, high. Can I have a knife? It's more polite in English. And answer, here you go. Here you go. This is just a nice, yes, here you go. Thank you, you're welcome. Let's practice a little bit more. So for example, can I have a knife? Here you go. Like conversation, two people, right? We need it. Can I have a spoon? Yeah, here you go. Oh, here you go. Can I have a pan? Yeah, here you go. Can I have a microwave? I don't have a microwave. I'm sorry. I don't have a microwave. In my room, no. In my kitchen, yes. But here, no. Can I have a bowl? Yeah, here you go. Can I have a napkin? Yes, here you go. Can I have a pot? Yes, here you go. Can I have a toothpick? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have a toothpick. Okay, a toothpick. Here. A toothpick. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have a toothpick. Right, for cleaning teeth. Or one tooth. More teeth. 2 or 3 teeth. 20 teeth. Yeah, toothpick. I'm sorry, I don't have a toothpick. Can I have a plate? Yeah. Here you go. Like this. Okay, so on Wednesday we will practice conversations. What is that? Can I have? Here you go. Like that. We will practice. And we will also practice reading on Wednesday. Alright? Thanks so much. Have a good weekend. I'll see you hopefully next week on Wednesday.